Hi, welcome back to Coffee Query. If you have watched the last videos, I have created a Laravel application, installed the dependencies, and also created a one-time charge in Stripe. Okay. In this video, I will show you how to create a Stripe customer, and then we will be able to charge that customer multiple times. Okay. Let's start. This is the project I had created. Let me run PHP artisan serve npm run watch. Okay, open the code. If I open the Chrome, localhost 8000. Yeah, this is the form I had designed before, and we will continue with that. Okay, let me open Stripe. Hmm. Okay, this is the field amount. We don't need this for this video because we will chart it. We'll create a customer and we will charge that customer in the future. Let me comment this field for now. Okay. Okay, these are the payments which I had created from Laravel in the previous videos. Now let me check the customers. Let it be loaded. Okay, we submit our form, we get a token, and then how we handle this token, we send this token to a route called API charge. Okay, you go to the API. Here we have a route called charge. We will name it customer. Okay, and the function name is also customer. Okay, we'll send a request to this route customer, and the charge controller we will create another function, name it customer, and we will rename the charge with customer stripe packet, and it has a method called customer create. There is no amount, and the currency is also doesn't exist. Source, receive email, description, test, customer. Okay, okay, now here you see there is no any customer. If I we should have a field, a name field here. Name, this is the name. Okay. Okay, let me try. Name is Zia. Email is zia.csco@gmail.com. The card number is 42 42 42. Okay, there is a token. Yeah, this value must be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, this method called customer should be customers. Okay, it's not customer. Stripe customers create. Okay, let me try now. Zia, email zia.csco. Card is 42 42 42. Okay, this is the customer ID. It should be created. Let me check. Here should be a customer created. Yeah, this customer is created with this email, and the description is test customer. When we create this customer, we'll have a customer ID returned from Stripe. We will use this customer ID to charge it in the future. Okay, yeah, that's all for this video. We will charge the customer in the future. Thank you for watching. If you think this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel, and I will continue creating more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.